Take a guess how much that bike is.
This? 5,500.
Take another guess.
6.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to Pat Outdoors. Today we're going to be taking out my 72-volt RAWRR Mantis X to some off-road trails. I'm actually going to be taking it to Tasker's Gap. It's on the western side of Virginia, so we can see how this bike performs in some single track conditions. I'm also going to be taking my Talaria XXX with me. My buddy Justin's going to be riding this so we can get an idea how they perform side by side. Now this Talaria XXX is a little bit modified though. It's got a set of Shinko 241 tires front and rear. It's also got a nuclear P24F controller and an EWatt 74 volt 44 amp hour battery. This bike makes a tremendous amount of power in comparison, but let's just see how they perform off-road. I'm thinking that the Mantis is going to do better just because of the KKE suspension, and it's also got a larger wheel set with some knobbier tires. My only concern is I haven't been riding this bike because it's been raining really hard here in Virginia for the last 3 or 4 days. So I'm suspecting this trail to be completely flooded out. Now this bike's motor and controller are IP67 rated, but the battery is IP55. So this bike's not exactly waterproof. So hopefully we don't have any issues today. And you are crazy for bringing your supermoto today. Did you look up what the entrance of the lot looks like?
No. I mean, I don't know. We'll find out.
Okay. Oh, it's fine.
I'm just going to show you a couple things.
Okay.
This is the first time you're riding this Talaria, right?
I've ridden it once before when it stopped.
When it was stock.
Yeah,
okay.
Middleburg line, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, it's a little different now. Yeah, you just press this button, start, to switch modes.
Okay.
This is the highest power mode, but I have the throttle sensitivity adjusted, so it's very easy to use.
Okay, cool. Is that what it is?
Yeah, but you can pretty much stay on 3. We're going to be doing a lot of climbing and descending today.
Gotcha.
Yeah, I'm really excited to see how this performs in comparison to the XXX. And I'm pretty much going to ride mostly on sport mode for today. I'm not going to bother going in race mode because we really don't need that in trails like this. Holy cow. There's a lot of loose stuff out here. Suspension's a little stiff.
It's a little stiff, yeah.
And do you hear clunking on the front?
Yeah, a little rattling.
Yeah. I just think that I'm beating up the fork quite a bit recently. But
Okay, gotcha. I mean,
it's no big deal. I'm going to upgrade the fork on that bike anyway.
it seems all right.
Man, this place is super rocky. Not the most ideal for e-motos, but we just got to get through this first section, then it'll get smoother and faster. That thing sounds like it's falling apart.
Yeah.
It feels okay though?
No, I don't know.
It's still holding air. Like I've got 120 psi in there.
Oh, it's an air fork. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Alright guys, we are upgrading the fork. Comment below if you have a specific suggestion. I've been thinking about the Fast Ace 2.0 from Luna Cycle. Oh shit. Hopefully we don't have any electrical issues today. Holy shit. All right, guys, at least we know the Talaria is reliable.
Yeah, I'm all wet.
Well, good thing the Mantis has plenty of clearance. Bro. Screw it. Oh shit! Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. The Mantis is a beast. All right, just so we can get some unbiased feedback, I'm gonna have Justin switch with me. I want to get his opinion on the rideability, throttle response, and suspension in comparison to the Talaria. I didn't make any adjustments to this bike. This is just how it came out of the box.
Okay.
As far as controls, when kickstand is up, actually it's pretty much the same thing. You just press this button down here to switch to sport mode and to switch to race mode.
Gotcha.
Race mode's going to have the most torque right off the line, but the top speed doesn't really change too much. Eco is pretty much half power, and it caps the speed off around 38, 39 miles an hour. And then in sport, it caps it at exactly 50 miles an hour. Same thing as race, but a much more controllable throttle curve. Horn, high beam, low beam. You can turn the bike off doing this, keying off also.
Okay. Yeah, this is more set up like a normal motorcycle, I would say.
Well, yeah, coming from somebody who just hopped off their KLX 20 minutes ago, yeah. It is more familiar for you. Yeah. Man, haven't ridden this Talaria since I was with Connor G like 2 weeks ago, and it started feeling a little clapped out after we rode some trails back there. So I really got to take a look at what's going on here, but I do want to upgrade the fork anyway. Ooh, it sounds so rough. Damn, but the power, there's so much power in this. Oh god.
Oh, this is way better.
It's night and day, right?
The suspension is just...
It glides right over?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. That has a KKE fork. You'll notice that it's a little bit beefier than what's on this Talaria. It's got like 37 mil stanchions versus 34. So this is more like a mountain bike.
Okay.
And then that is closer to a pit bike. Take a guess how much that bike is.
This? 5,500?
Take another guess.
6?
It's a lower.
It's lower than that?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's like a freaking bargain. $3,000.
Oh yeah, for sure, yeah.
Dude!
That shit was... Dude, you're yeah.
I am soaking wet down to my chest. So I'm thinking that I'm going to leave this bike stock for the most part, because I think it performs pretty well as is. But I want to put a lot more miles on this in different scenarios, such as street and city riding, before I do a fully detailed review.
Try not to get wet again. Yeah.
Don't worry, man. We'll get some beers after this.
Yeah.
all you, bro. Screw it, guys. All right, let's do it. Oh, shit. Oh, my God, dude. All right, Roar. I am putting your waterproofing to the test. So far, so good. No issues with the IP55 rated battery. Holy shit, guys. This is crazy. I still can't believe how much bike we got for less than 3K. Like, I don't even know what comes close to this besides the Triple X. If you guys happen to know of a bike that you think can be competitive with this RAWRR Mantis X for the $3,000 price range, make sure you comment it down below, because I definitely want to check out that bike. Like, the suspension is a beast. Like, I don't even think I'm going to do anything with the suspension, though. Traction wise, it's okay. The tires are okay. Maybe they need some time to break in, but I feel like the Shinko 241s we have on the Talaria have a little bit more traction than this, and those are dual sport tires. It's getting louder and louder, isn't it?
Oh yeah. It's falling apart.
All right, guys, I think we only have 2 miles left. Hopefully the Triple X does not fall apart before we get to the car.
Yeah.
Okay, fuck it. Woo-hoo-hoo! That was so sick. Holy shit. Oh my god. I feel like we're gambling pretty hard here. Like, I don't even know what I'm riding over. There could be a ah, you son of a bitch. That mother.
Yeah,
that was so much fun.
I was just like, fuck. Dude, it's fun going, just rolling through there, man. Because there's no fin on here. I feel like I'm going on the water because the water just goes
Secretly, I'm pretty thankful I didn't put a fender on there just to punish this asshole. All right, we are down to 76% battery. Let's see how much we've traveled so far. So we're going 29 miles an hour max speed back there and almost 7.5 miles so far on this charge. For off-road scenarios, the battery life's actually pretty decent. Would you do that again?
Yeah. That's fun, man. That's just fun. Yeah, I'd say we were hauling pretty good.
Considering what kind of bikes we're on.
Yeah.
So what'd you think of the Mantis overall?
It felt like a $6,000 bike to me riding it. The suspension's nice and flush over even the big rocks. And the power delivery's nice. It's smooth, but it has torque when you want it. It's a predictable throttle. Yeah, that's good.
Well, we're going to continue to keep riding the RAWRR Mantis X just to get to know the bike a little bit more before I give my full opinion on what I like and what I don't like about it. Overall, I think it is a beast of a trail bike for 3K. I just think you're getting a lot of suspension, power, and bike overall. I think it's a really good value. If you happen to know of a bike that comes close to the performance of this Mantis, make sure you comment it below because I would be really curious and I'd want to try out that bike. But if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful in any way, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you like this kind of content, want to keep up with some of my projects, the Talaria fork upgrade or this RAWRR Mantis X, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn your bell notification on. But this is going to be it for today. Thank you for watching. This is honestly a really beautiful bike.